How is YouTube? I hope you guys are good. I know it's been a minute since I did a YouTube video, so I thought, you know what, let me come back on YouTube full time. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a breakdown. I'm gonna be doing maybe 2 or 3 pairs for you guys so that you can be prepared for the coming week. So as you guys can see in your screen, I'm looking at GBP AUD. GBP AUD is still in an uptrend, as you guys can see. Let me just quickly um zoom back to the up. With that being said, we're going to focus on the recent price action. So you guys can see uptrend it's from. As you guys can see, I know people were looking to. As you guys can see, people will see this in the market, and then obviously they were looking to buy from here. But then this is just a smart money trap. So a lot of people took their taken out. As you guys can see, price started pushing to liquidity. We need to see imbalance. As you guys can see, this is our imbalance. So we're just gonna mark it out. Balance. Okay. So as you guys can see, we have the T line here. We have this liquidity line here. This liquidity was taken out. Really good for the coming week. Price is pushing to the downside, almost at the price to get to this area side momentum already. So we will be looking to see how people will be looking for those nice change of capital. They'll be looking for our significant eventually price will most probably go all the way up to that area there. So this is GBP AUD looking really good for the coming week. And again, we're going to be looking at is this recording. Okay, and again, guys, we're going to be looking at setup into the upside. So this is an uptrend. I don't know why I wrote change of character there. So as you guys can see, price after the order block, right? If you can, then obviously going into the week. So as you guys can see, we broke structure. Those are the reason why we're looking for counter trends. Character here, if you're looking at, if you're gonna focus in this piece of price action, with last low, as you guys can see, this low was taken out, and you can see with this push that the smart money was involved, and then we can start looking for selling of. We can just quickly zoom in. Okay, just right. So after changing character, as you guys can see, left our trap. If you go to smaller time frames like H2, let's go to H2. I prefer H2. We will notice that, okay, let me just zoom out a bit. People took sales because price reacted of that and started pushing to sell again from those areas again to the downside. There's liquidity that you see there. This is liquidity, right? If things from here, only liquidity, as you guys can take out that to sell from, right, all the way to the downside, right? So obviously we're going to be looking for smaller time frame confirmation, and then we're going to be looking to take this trade to the downside. It's looking really good. Euro AUD going into the week. Yesterday, as I was planning, I thought of giving you guys as Euro USD as well, but only to find out this morning that it already played out. Fortunately, I set everything up. I was able to catch this trade. So this is Euro USD. So with this one, just week before, as you guys can see, my overall target was supporting. I think it was I was already I had enough profit for the week. So don't remember, just have your target. If you meet your target, get out of the market. That is what into the downside. Broke structure here. So this is gonna be nice. Came back to this order block. Come for this order block, not this. See, there's a lot of liquidity. Take out that liquidity. So as you guys can see, we mark this area that some people will be looking to trade, thinking that this area here, thinking this area is in balance and it's right. So as you guys can see, price started sort of because people were trying to push price to the down way to this order block here. Then we also had this nice imbalance here that price came to fill in, and then mitigated this order block. Obviously, we wanted more information, more confirmation. So price pushed to the downside. If you can go to smaller time frame, I think I caught this trade on a 15, but we can go to H1 just to see what was happening. So you can see our last low, price took it out and then started pushing. We had this nice looking out. Then on a 15 minute, we got this order block on a 15 minute, set it up there, set up my entry there. I didn't even send this to the team. I'm very, very sorry, guys. But I was able to take this trade because I set it up. I was going some, set it up fast. and then I left it like that. I thought it was gonna play the following week, but then when I checked in this morning, I saw that it's order block that I was talking about. On site, we are currently in profits. I think we're currently in 3-4%. Yeah, currently in 4% in this trade, which is really good. So my overall target will be this recent year, right? That will be my overall target profits from these areas here, because we can see that smart money was also involved, are also in a very nice areas to start taking profits because of that, right? And then obviously that price might have this liquidity lying there, as you guys can see. So there's a lot of liquidity. So that's why pushing all the way till this area here. So this will be my first target, which is around 7.8. We used Fibonacci from the high to the low, and then this was our areas that this other block was headed to set this up. So yeah, gents, I hope you guys learned something today, and I hope you guys will be ready for the week. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Always, gents.